I'm cold makeup look. Let's do it. First we're going to brush up the brows with some brow gel. I'm just filling my brows with a brow pen. Going in with a bit of concealer. I'm going to do some contour on my nose. Blending out that contour. Now the concealer. I added 3 dots of blush on my cheek. I'm going to add a bit on my nose and on the chin. Now let's blend that out with a fluffy brush. And you want to look really nice and rosy. And I just use whatever's left on the brush across my nose, in the outer corners of my eyes, and on my chin. I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes with a white eye pencil. I'm going to bring it along my lower lash line as well. Let's do the tip of my nose. I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. Adding some silver shimmer to my inner corner and on my eyelid. Some freckles. Give my face a quick spray just to set everything in place for my waterline. Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I need to look like I'm glistening, so I'm adding some more highlight. For lips, I'm going in with some pink eyeshadow. I'm going to start buffing it around the edges. It doesn't matter if it's messy. I'm going in with a pink lipstick, and then in the center with a teeny bit of red. Add some gloss. Who's ready to see the end result? Okay guys, here's the end result. Is it similar to the pictures? I actually love it. But I know you guys are always super honest with me, so how did I do? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.